Hey, you. Oh. Ella, can you help me? Can you help me? You gotta put these all together quick. Come on, help me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19. Yeah, that's not the right one. 19. 20. 21. There you go, like this. Oh. 22. 23. 24. 25. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 26. 27. Oh, high five. Here you go. Yeah. Yeah. What's up, Booper? Hi, bud. Oh, good job. Good boy. Oh, let's build a house. Let's build a house, okay? This one's going to be a 2-room house. It's for you and Boopy. Oh, you're giving the blocks kisses? Oh, you're taking apart the house. Oh, you're just doubling up the foundation and the studs. I get it. Oh, what's that? Is that a room? You put it in walls for rooms? Oh, good job. I think that's going to be a really nice wall. How about that right there? Want to get 2 more? Yeah, let's get 2 more right here. Let's get this one. Oh, good job. I like that. Good job. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, can you build me a house? Build me a house. And here's the door. What's that? Open. Cooper, go get your mom. Go get her. Open. 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 Doop. Doop. Oh, look. Now it's got a roof. It's got a couple sides. Good job. Oh, I think that's a great job you did right there with that wall. You really needed that one there. Oh, there's another one. Good job. Can you make another house on top? Like this? And this? Ella, can you put one on top? You want to get Booper? Oh, you're shutting him out? You don't want him in here? Bye, Ella. Bye, Ella. I'll see you later. You coming back now? Oh, there she is. Boo. Boo. Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Ella, I need to make some food, please. Oh, what are we gonna have for dinner? What are we having for dinner? You gonna make me something with this frying pan? There you go. What you got in the freezer? Nothing in the freezer? You got anything in here? Here you go. Here's all your bag of vegetables. There you go. We put them in the sink. We gotta clean them all, okay? There you go. You got some bananas. You got some eggs. The Fisher Price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you like that? You put it in the bag? You put it in the bag, Ella? Good job. Wow. Wow. Good job. These are cool, huh? What is this? What are these? You know what these are? Why don't you take your hood off? Yeah. That's pretty cool. Oh, Mama has a bow in your hair, huh? It's pretty nice. Yeah, these are bananas. Bananas are good. You peel them. People try to peel them from here, but you can peel them from the top. They open right up. And then what's this? You got syrup if you make some waffles or some pancakes? You have a little syrup, huh? Oh. Ella, I think your baby's hungry. Does the baby need a bottle? We can't cook the baby. We gotta take the baby off there. It's too hot. We gotta get the baby off there. And then got this. Oh, is that for Ella? Hello? 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 Is it Mama? It's for you. There you go. We'll hang up on him. Yeah. Nope, it's for you. You can't talk in those. Uh-oh. Oh. What? Good boy. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? Oh, it's for Ella. It's for you. Can you say it? Open. Open. What? Hi, guy. Oh, you're making us tea? It's really nice of you. Here, I'll put the kettle on for you, okay? There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh. What are you gonna make us? Huh? What are you gonna make us? That's gonna be pretty good. Here, you might have to put this on now. You gotta put it on the stove. Oh, you're turning it down. That's good. Yeah, I turned it up a little too much. Oh. You want this? It's a whole tea set, huh? You had that in the cupboard this whole time? Close it. Good job. What you got in there? You want help? Here you go. Here you go. Good job. Good job. That one's open too. You gotta close that. What are you doing with the pig? Okay. Uh-huh. You want to open it? Which one? Which button? This one? Yep. Yep. Look. Now you. This one.
All right, pal. So let's have some fun.
Good job.
Great choice. Hey there. So let's see what you got. Great choice. Dog.
This one. This one. Oh, you got a credit card in there. You got 10 cents? What are you gonna do with 10 cents? Oh, it's a new plate for the cup? What's this? What is that?
All right, pal. So let's have some fun.
Ellie, can you close the microwave? Yeah, close that. Thank you. I just don't want you to bump your head on it. Put that back. Oh, good job.
All right, hey. So let's see what you got.
This one. Yeah, see, it's this one. See? See? High five. High five. Thanks. You figured it out. You got it. Wow. Wow. Here, you gotta put in the money, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now put it in. Oh, good job. That's crazy. Yeah. Put it back up here. What's this? What you got in here? This Blue's Clues? Yeah, you want to keep playing with that. I'm gonna try to keep trying to put some of the toys away while we're distracted by that. You're probably getting a little hungry, right? You getting a little hungry right now, maybe? So we gotta get you some food, right? Oh, here you go. Here, have a little sip. Here you go. Oh, you are not being fooled. You want those things back out. Oh, here you go. We're thirsty. We're thirsty. Can you pour some? Pour some. Thank you. You want a sip? Thanks. Thank you. Mmm. Here, you have some. I'll pour you some. Look, right? Now you have some. Good job. Good job. Here you go. This might get a little cold if you keep it off. You might have to put it on the stove again. You giving some to the pig? You giving some to the piggy, huh? You're such a big lady, such a big girl. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You are so crazy. Yep. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. Uh-oh. 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 Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, I know. Yeah? Here you go. Here. Look, look. Wanna have some? Fell all. What are you doing? You gonna put that back in? Good job. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Why are you getting it back out? Just making sure. Ella. Ella, look. Look, baby. Wow! Wow. Look. Look right here. Look, ready? Yeah? Yeah. What, you got a grocery list? What kind of groceries are you gonna make us? What kind of food are you gonna cook for the family? Mom? No, that's not her job. That's not her job. It's everyone's job. Hi, Ella. Uh-oh.